to my first tutorial for my Epic Free intro template. Yes, I'm speaking normally German, but for the English people I speak English. Yes, but it will be a tutorial after this tutorial in German. Yes, and so we go on. You have here the .rar file. You download it. I don't download it because I have it already. And then I download it for you, so you can understand all of it what I do, and you can do it. Yes. I'm not the best English speaker, and I have a writing fail or something. Yes, and here's then you open it, and you must have this and that. Then you go on to unzip it, and then you search for it. Sorry for waiting here. Yeah, I have it. And then you you first read this. You need Cinema 4D R15 and After Effects CC or After Effects CS6. By After Effects CC, I have Trapcode. The plugins that you need for the intro template are Trapcode Particular, Magic Bullet Looks, and Optical Flares. And first of all, you open the Cinema 4D part, 4D part in English, and then you have this, and you only change my Cinema 4D paused or stop. Must wait for a second because my PC is not best, and yes. And there you have here the edit group, and then you not go on not change or on this not change, you go on your, and then I have a friend which name is game. You can write it klein, tall or small. It's not a matter. And then you have this, and it seems like, and then you go on this. Do not touch here anything. Go on the second tab and choose the path where you save the file. Yes, and here is this. Then you go on Cinema 4D part, 4D part, and this is the only PNG you have there. You only write into this Cinema 4D, not more, only Cinema 4D, and with a space in here. Then you go on Speicher, save in English, and then you can go on with this. I don't have to do that yet because I made the intro. Yes, and then you can, when it's ready, you can leave Cinema 4D and open After Effects part. You can wait. You must wait. You can't go in the program without waiting. Okay. And when it's here, then you have your name here. I have not yet the GameX, and it's not right because I delete all the PNGs. Yes, and here, and not here, but here you have the Cinema 4D part. Then you go right click, footage, override or something. Then you go to the path where you save the file. Then you go on this, and then you select the first image. Click on PNG scene or something. I don't know what it's really mean in English, so sorry for that. And then you go on import. But click the PNG scene or something. Import as footage. Import here. Import. And then you have this. This is not the right thing. And then you have this, and you have the intro with your text. Congratulations. And then you go on composition, on render or something, sorry, and then you go on the selection where you save the file, and name it with however you want, intro template, and then render. I don't